Hello, beautiful family. Compliment of the season to you and yours. Thank you so much for always keeping in touch with this channel. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate you. Please do well to always share our videos. And today I have a quick one to share with you. A lot has been going on and a lot of people are very confused. But there is a particular message that is passed in this video. You have to watch it to the end because progress the analyst. I am here to update you. Now listen, watch this video carefully, listen carefully also, and I'll be right back.
This evening, there is something that really brought me to earth. Although I say I don't want to, talk about anything that is going on, because the only thing that is concerning us is to defend this Biafra nation that have been declared. And then why some evil ones are outside playing gambling with the lives of Biafrans in the hometown. Anyway, when time comes, we will know. But one thing I can really assure Biafrans all over the world is that Biafra have been restated, and we will defend it until we make sure that every terrorist forces of Nigeria disappear in every Biafra territory. We will never rest. It is the duty of every true Biafrans to defend Biafra nation to the last. The United States of Biafra that were reinstated in 29 December 2024 have vowed never to bow down or retrieve or surrender to the terrorist state of Nigeria. Not today, not tomorrow, never. So therefore, each and every one should bear this in mind, that these forces led by General Butuzo can never bow down. These forces commanded by Prime Minister Simon Ekpa can never bow down. That is one thing I want you to know. So fear not. This war, we are winning. The Nigerian government can never defeat us. Not in this life. Not in a million years to come. They can't defeat us. So have no doubt. Do not allow the distractions that is going on in cabinet to make you lose hope or lose focus. Remain focused. All this is a test. True Biafran know the truth. If you are a true Biafran, you know the truth. The spirit of Biafran does not mislead those who believe in Biafra. That is one thing I know about the spirit of Biafra. You can never be misled unless you are evil one. So therefore, I am here this evening to tell you that men on ground, lead and command by General Butuzo are doing well and are never going to bow down to any pressure or any forces or any darkness anywhere. This war, we will fight till the end. That is what I can assure you. The Jew is fighting their last fight. Let me tell you, their head have been took up. Nothing remain again. What you see jumping is only the dead body. Having said that, what brought me to this broker this evening is to really correct the impression that I saw on net. The fake news given by Ada Dialama. The fake news given by Ada Dialama is what I want to encounter tonight. The reason why I'm encounter this news is because it concerns me. See, let me tell you, my dear sister, Biafra can never be like Nigeria blogger who carry out news without investigation. You carry news just for you to tax somebody evil. You forge news on the person, displaying that Blessing Chinyere Anyanwu was kidnapped. Ada Dialama, that is a fake news that you carry. You tax Sonia Akbarawa. You tax others, other group, faction, that they are the one responsible to kidnap Blessing Chinyere Anyanwu. Then my question to you this evening is that why are you carrying fake news that you do not verify to gullible Biafrans? It is not good, my sister. Remove yourself from that. It will not help you. Biafra is above that. Some of you, I thought you say you are a spiritual person. I thought you say that you are a spiritual person. Is that how spiritual you are? Biafrans know the truth. The spirit of Biafran will always direct Biafran to a truth people. You don't need to convince anybody. Simon Ekpa does not convince anybody when the gullible people, the true citizen of Biafrans, the one that the blood of Biafran run in their body, follow Simon Ekpa. He didn't convince them. Why are you people trying to convince, causing commotion? Now I don't want all this drama. It's not really our business on ground. It's not really our problem. Anyway, Biafra have been restated, which means we have only one duty, which is to defend Biafra, and that which we will do till the end. But why should you say that Blessing Anyanwu, Blessing Chinyere Anyanwu, that was taken by Nigeria forces in Owerri town along Douglas Road? The eyewitness, for your information, Blessing was sent to go and clear a business. He was in the park there to clear a business that was taken by Nigeria forces. In a very broad daylight, it wasn't in the night. A lot of people witnessed this. Nigeria combined forces, army, police, and Ebubaku and the rest, take Blessing away from Douglas. And I am the one, somebody text the video and the message to me, and then I asked for the good Biafran to help the message spread. That the world should notice the terrorist zoo of Nigeria, that they are with the custody of Blessing. Because what I noticed they normally do, if they carry any Biafrans and nobody voice out, they will arrest the person, kidney. And then instead of you to also pass that message the way it is, you now twist it. Do not let me to suspect you. Don't let me suspect you. Because if I do, believe you, my sister, it will not go well with you. But as I always say, my brother is not my problem. My sister is not my problem. My problem is how to destroy the zoo. And that is the only problem I have. before you carry news, before you broadcast any news, go and do your verification. That is why when you see our PM posted something or say something, he say go and verify, because what he posted is nothing but the fact and the truth. Why are you coming to the line online to deceive millions of Biafrans with your fake news? I've never talked to you before. Ada, dear Adama, I have never spoken with, or I'm talking to you before until this very case that I'm very, very fully aware that I was the one that asked the media to carry out, man, to spread the news. And then you come up and lies. What is your game? See, let me tell you, no matter how you try to cover the darkness, man, the light will always shine and overshadow the darkness. You don't know this? No matter how dark the room is, no matter how dark the room is, just a twinkle of a light, darkness disappear. Okay? On a very normal time, I will take my time to liberate Biafra from all this tsunami in your midst. Do you understand me? So you must not love me for me to fight for Biafra. You must not support me for me to fight for Biafra. You must. I did not even need your followers to support Biafra. It is in the blood. We fight for Biafra till we die. And you people are there. Many lives today, they don't come to Olimo State, killing innocent souls. And you people are there gossiping nonsense. Instead of to look for the way to equip men on ground to defend this land and pursue these terrorists out of our land once and for all, you people are do gossiping. Why don't you do your own? Let everybody do their own. As long as that thing will yield the same result. Focus. You come here to talk rubbish. Let me tell you, I think you people doesn't know what is waiting for you people ahead. The government of PM was very straightforward. The government of PM was very, very straightforward. No mako. He did not appoint people by authority, by power. There is, I think I always spend my time, whenever the cabinet have meeting, I always spend my time to involve in all those meetings. He always come up, when he appoints somebody, say, the house will vote. The house will vote. And then if the government in exile have been dissolved, I want to ask the gullible Biafran the good question this night. I don't send who is who. Why can't COS also be dissolved? And then the government of Biafra, government in exile have been dissolved and COS is not dissolved. Who appoints COS? Everything's supposed to be pure and open. Call executive meeting. You sit down. The government have been dissolved. And then these are the position. Who qualify to be here? Who qualify to be here? Because the new government is forming. It is no longer government in exile. This is now United States of Biafra government. And now being United States of Biafran government, everything about Biafra government in exile should be dissolved. And the cabinet sitting down, and now you bring the list of the people who are interested in this position, who see everything from A to Z could have still be voting, liberated by every member of cabinet. Now that was not done. You dissolve order, but your posts remain. You dissolve other posts, but your own posts remain. Has it done anywhere? Now you have been appointing people by yourself for yourself without house voting. Is that how PM run his government? It was not like this. Oh. It was not like this. It wasn't like this. He make everything transparent. PM did not make himself PM, Prime Minister. We, Biafran voted him. We voted him as a Prime Minister. So why are you people doing as if Biafra doesn't know what is truth, what is light, and what is darkness? I say, I didn't want to talk about this because I know that the spirit of Biafra is doing cleansings. Believe you me, the spirit of Biafra is doing cleansings. When I come up here and I say, the song I was born to hear from my great-great-grandfather saying, Alanso, Alanso, ke Biafra. There will be no saboteur that will enter into this land of Biafra because it's the only land of Chukwukikabiama. So when I see things like this, when I see things happening like this, I know that indeed no saboteur will enter into the land of Biafra. So it doesn't surprise me the way the spirit of Biafra choose to do cleansings. But what provoked me is this very picture of Chinyere that you brought and taxed Imam Barawa and the rest as a kidnapper. It is this night and this picture make me to understand that everything you have been coming to this line to talk is lies and fake news. You carry fake news without verification. Who are you trying to impress? Who are you trying to convince? Biafra spirit, you cannot convince them. They know the truth. Biafrans know the truth. Biafrans know the truth. You don't try to convince anybody. Leave the light. When the light shine, everybody will see the shadow of light and they will go there. You don't need to convince anybody. We have seen, we are looking. But I've said that you people are, all of you came late. Know why I say so? You came late. You came late, very, very late, because we don't pass that level. Biafrans are past this level. Just come to us. If you people cannot come together to provide necessity to men on ground, we will shock you. General Butuzo will shock all of you. I swear to God Almighty, we will shock you. Men on ground will shock all of you. And then when we see how una go come enter inside the land of Biafra, abi una mind they tell una say Biafra is not going to be fully restored, or you think say Biafra go be like this forever? Una the joke, a very big joke. We are watching you people very closely. Speak the truth. Don't fashion. See, leave everybody, make them do as they like. When time come, we go know, una go know who be who. Make una come enter the land of Biafra now. Come enter. Men they suffer inside bush. Cold day. Mosquito they finish men. Hunger day. Men they mount day and night fighting to ensure that our land be at peace. Terrorist Nigeria government leave our territory, and you people are there. You people are there doing nonsense instead of to force ahead. Force your brain together. You are doing nonsense. This one will come to net, talk rubbish. This one will come to net, talk rubbish. All your rubbish doesn't enter my ear. But these very lies that you lie, now invest me well. Now make I come tell you, say, you see that lie where you lie on blessing. If anything to happen to blessing, I will hold Adadi and Amma responsible for that fake news he's given. I am saying to you this day, today, being 14 December 2024, make heaven and earth take my voice. If anything happen to Blessing Chinyere Anyanwu, I will hold you responsible because you passed the fake news. I will hold you responsible. Heaven, bear me witness. Before you come to net to speak nonsense, verify your news. Verify that news. Don't just come and talk garbage. I thought you are a responsible woman. I didn't know that this is how evil you are. I will not go further. But we will shock you people. Whatever thing that is you people plan, you came late. I swear to God, una came late. Una came late. Biafra. If you know what Biafra is, I think you wouldn't be toying with Biafra. And to all the Biafrans all over the world, I believe this is the last phase and the last trial of this struggle. The last phase and the last trial of this struggle. Remain focused. Remain strong. Don't let anybody deceive you. Do not allow anybody to deceive you. Follow your spirit. You see that your spirit, where you sit down on your own, alone, reason like a true Biafran. If you are confused, invite the spirit of Biafra to come over you and direct you. The spirit of Biafra will possess you and lead you to a right choice that you will follow. But if you are listening to all this gossip, they will gossip you to a wrong direction. And that will be very bad for you. Focus. We are on the very last trap of this struggle. And believe you me, we are winning. We are winning. You don't know? If you are highly spiritual, as I am, console your chi. Nigeria are gone. What you are seeing now is a shadow of Nigeria. The real Nigeria have gone. That is why you see them bringing all these agents of darkness to see if the shadow can still remain for a little while. But I'm sorry, it cannot last more than 6 months. Mark my words somewhere. It can't last more than 6 months. So therefore, men on ground, Butuzo men are very, 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 very resolute. Stronger than ever before. Destroying the zoo more than ever before. The zoo, they are testifying it. But one thing I want you to know is that this is our right. This is the land of our ancestors. This is the land of our ancestors. We belong here. It is not a crime. We were not the one that born ourselves into this land. We found ourselves into this land because that is how the Creator choose. And we have been here. Our ancestors have been here. We have never Nigerian before. Britain knew that. And they came, forcefully merge us. And that same forcefully we will separate. Do you understand the logic there? Britain forcefully merged us to Hausa and Yoruba. It was by force, then join us together. And anybody who tell you, say, you go live by peace, they lie. Thing that is joined by force must be separated by force. And that is why we are doing all we can do. By force, we will separate from Nigeria forever as we are already separated spiritually. Biafra is now a nation. Do not forget this. Know this and have peace. The United States of Biafra will never bow down to any terrorism or any fake news. So it is our right to survive as human. It is our right to live. It is our right to defend the land of our ancestors for the betterment of our children. So we are fully ready. Ever, no matter how many them come. And I tell them, is it all you got? The zoo, is it all you got? Go into the war. Gather all the armies of the war and bring them to the land of Biafra. But I want you to help those people as you are bringing them in. Tell them this, that the land of Biafra is the land of no return. Because now here then go all perish. As then they come, they are not going back. Then go die here. Believe you me, now here then go buy. The land of Biafra, as long as you enter in the name to buy the children of Biafra, now here you go buy. You no go back alive. I swear to God who make me. This land of Biafra will swallow all of you. That is the hope. I want you to keep it with you. We don't make threaten. When we promise, we deliver. I want to thank each and every one of you that have been supporting us. By your prayer and by your contribution, I want to thank all of you. At this very difficult time, the stage we are now, I don't want you to lose focus. I want you to follow your spirit. Those of you who have the true spirit, follow that your spirit. We just have a step to take, and all this will be a nightmare. From me, from the land of Biafra, I say, long live Biafra Republic, Biafra government, United States of Biafra. Long live Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Long live our able Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa. Long live General Butuzo. Long live the Biafra Liberation Forces. Long live to all the truth faithful citizens of Biafra. Long live to the lovers of Biafra and Biafran supporters. Long live to whosoever wishes us life. The Chukwu Okike Abiama continue to guide each and every one of you in a right track. May they never allow you to go astray until Biafra come. It is a test. Our Prime Minister is washing them on the mirror. And as he's washing them, he's laughing at them. The last enemy of Biafrans are fighting seriously. But at the end, all will hate Biafra. For sure. From me, from Biafra land, it is good night.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I give you all the update back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.